how we're doing? Last little detail for Tangun in this little pattern section. Next one's an easy one, okay? It's right at the end, right at the very end, okay? Once you have done all of the first half, got to the middle, the big spins with those double blocks, off to the back, down, up, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget how many upper blocks you're doing in total. This bit, fold, chop, okay? The end bit is a mixture in terms of footwork and what you're doing of that big turn that we had in the middle, okay, and how your knife block punches works at the beginning, where you go back stance, front stance, okay? The detail that I want to highlight is how far you have to turn in to your chop, okay? So, imagine we're near the end, we're going backwards, down, up, 2, 3, 4. My backhand comes up and folds. Notice, the hand that's on the inside, closest to me, is the one that will be doing the chop, what becomes my front hand. Covered that a lot in the last video, okay? But it's this. Fold, turn, 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 back stance, chop, okay? My body comes around. Yeah, I am facing the way I am chopping. Because I'm not in a horse stance like Do-san, I don't face front with my chest, okay? From here, I turn into my chop. I'm in my back stance, I'm roughly going that way, okay? Into face punch to finish in my front stance. Don't, which is what a lot of people do, is they go here, they go narrow back stance and do that. Okay, and their chest is going this way, and the chop's going that way, and their stance is buckled and horrible. Okay? There are two similar techniques between Tangun and Do-san. Okay? Tangun is back stance and turn into your chop. Punch. Do-san is turn out horse stance. Chop. Square feet, square chest, looking where I'm chopping, hand back, okay? And then you'd step across, okay? They are different, very, very different, okay? So, the Tangun, this detail, yeah, you've done all your upper blocks, here, hand, turn, full back stance, turn into your chop, punch, turn out, chop, turn into your back stance, then going that way, okay? Into my punch. It's different from Do-san. If you already know Do-san, you should know those ending components are both different from one another and confusing, and you often get them muddled up. We see it a lot. Yeah, people that are in the kind of blue tag, blue belt area, getting the ends of those two patterns muddled. It happens, we get it. Okay, do your best not to. Tangun is different from Do-san. The endings are different. Make sure you remember which one is which. Okay? Thanks very much. Enjoy.